Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play good times on the piano, focusing on an easy guide. We'll start by mastering the fundamental chord progression. You'll primarily use four basic chords: C major, F major, G major, and a minor. Getting comfortable with these will build your foundation. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each change feels natural and rhythmic. This simple approach will have you playing the core of the song quickly and confidently. Next, let's give your left hand a purpose with a straightforward bass pattern. For each chord, your left hand will play its root note. For example, with a C major chord, you'll play a C. Keep this bass line steady and rhythmic, providing a solid foundation for the entire piece. Focus on maintaining a consistent tempo, which is crucial for the song's groove. This simple addition will make your playing sound much fuller. Now, let's bring your right hand into the mix. You can start with a basic rhythmic strumming pattern, perhaps playing the chords in a simple, syncopated way. As you get more comfortable, try incorporating small melodic fragments from the song's iconic riff. Don't be afraid to experiment with different voicings for your chords, perhaps playing them higher or lower on the keyboard. This adds texture and interest to your performance. Finally, it's time to put both hands together. Begin by practicing very slowly, ensuring each hand is playing its part correctly and in sync. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. A great tip is to listen closely to the original Good Times recording to capture its unique timing and feel. With consistent practice, you'll soon be playing this classic tune with confidence and a fantastic rhythm. Keep enjoying the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.